I hope, hey folks, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I think we are live. Let me just confirm and audible as well. Cool. Yeah. Okay. So sorry for first of all sorry for being late. Like I was not uploading much content lately. Like ha, I was never, but yeah. I'll try to do best as I can. So let's talk about this video. What I'll be doing in this video, in this live stream. So we are going to try the upgrading my old project, which is already in the Play Store, uploaded in the Play Store. I'll be upgrading it to. I have never touched it after 1.5.4 Flutter released, and I'll be updating that project to 2.5, and we'll be checking out like how it goes and if let's see if I'll be successful or not. Yeah, so that's the main motive of this live stream. So without any delay, we can get started. Or if want, I can wait for a moment. Let me wait for a minute, maybe. Yeah. Meanwhile, let me just walk you through this application. So it's all widget podcast application that I have developed a while ago, a very while ago. When I don't have access to my JKS as well. Yeah, I did file the support ticket to Google Play Console support team. Let's see if I can get a positive response from them. Beside of that, yeah, so the application is about it's all widgets as the name suggests. So there is a one site and there is a one community called it's all widgets that run by Hillel. He's also an GDE. So sorry, GDE for Flutter. So he's running a podcast where all the Flutter experts come and talk about Flutter things. I have also appeared in one of the podcasts. So this is related to that, that podcast only. So it gets the all the data from the RSS feed, and I'll just convert it in the JSON, and whatever I'm getting using some third party website RSS to JSON. Yeah, I'm converting it to JSON and I'm parsing it to, and I'm showing it in our application. So this is what, yeah, I think, yeah, I've created it while GIS 2018, maybe, yeah. Yeah. So it was while back, yeah. So I'll be trying to, hope this works out. I'm very nervous, like I don't know how to get started with upgrading part because I always try to upgrade my Flutter versions like whatever I'm live application I'm working on. So this is the first time I'm going to try out something different. So yeah, let's see. So first of all, I haven't this is the project that I have directly cloned in my system and from my GitHub repo. It is open source. Let me just show you. Yeah, over here you can find it out over here. So it is open source, you can check it out over here. Let me just put a link over in a chat if you want to see. And it is also uploaded in the Play Store. Yeah, so this is the UI, how it looks like. This is the UI. And yeah, like let's get started without wasting a time. Yeah. Okay, so I haven't run a Flutterpub get as well. So let's try running Flutterpub get first of all, and let's see what it does. Uh, by the way, how I know that I have built it using 1.5 or 5.4 because it used to have a, like if you have a pubspec.log file, it contains the version information. So because of that, you can can get to know. Okay, so there are, you can see it is already telling me to upgrade some things in the console. Array. Okay, how, how can I move? Okay, just close it. How can I move it back to the array? I'm messed up at first time only. Use full tutorial. I mean, I didn't get you. Sorry, 0 volt. So, okay, Flutter PubGet is still running. Okay. Here I go. I don't know if it is going to work or not. First of all, we are going to do this upgrading pre 1.12 Android projects. Never did so. So we will try that out first. There are some errors as well. What is it is about? Yeah, okay. Support.dispose. I think dispose is already removed from the uh, Mobex store. So we need to remove it. There is a error over here as well. So, yeah, builder is also deprecated, and yeah, I can't access the store.dispose. Yeah, okay, cool. Let's try upgrading pre 1.12 Android projects. Let's try that first. Let's see what will happen. If you Flutter create a project, right, apply to your project. I'm using a Kotlin. Hopefully, I'm using Kotlin here. Okay, yeah, perfect. Yeah, so I need to, what I need to remove is bundle app Flutter activity. Yeah, okay. Then I have to add this embedding Flutter activity, right? Okay, let's read out. You know, since the body of domain activity is now empty, you can also optionally delete domain activity. I don't have a custom platform channel, so I think it is this stuff is fine. Other than that, okay, let's do this first. Okay, let's remove these three line and add this one. Wait, we don't need on create. Okay, we don't need on create. Oh wait, I don't think so. We don't need on create. Are we sure? May I try Sunny? Yeah, yeah, please, please, please. How can I, join you in this thing? Should I can't. If you can send me, hey Sunny, if you can send me a meetup link, probably we can do it together. If anyone any legit person who wants to join, maybe they can as well. uh it's just like chit chat, doing a chit chat and working out all these things together. Yeah, just this happens with me a lot. Like I always forget where am I and like what I'm reading, and then I just start scrolling without reading. Okay. Man. Okay, we don't have a platform channel, so we can skip this portion. Now, in other words, more channel is involved. I don't think. Okay, we will find a lesson where the Flutter to open. I think even splash screen behavior is also changed, but it is in the 2.5.0. I mean, in the 2.5.0, they have changed the way we used to add a splash screen. You must be getting some warning when you try to run or try to build your application in 2.5. If you are using a splash screen, default splash screen that we used to add, you must be getting some warnings. Oh, I'm clueless. Okay, how to read? Focus, Bobby, focus and read. In other words, move this analyzing part of your coding your and create into convey was and use from. Okay, now we can jump on to the second point. Let's go to the Android manifest. I hope this works. So, are you coming or not? Like, are you joining or not? Please send me maybe a meet link or anything else. This she works. Remove the reference to Flutter application from the application tag. Okay, application tag. This. I hope this is they are talking about. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Perfect. Yeah. Update splash screen behavior if splash behavior is desired. Yeah, I think it is. Remove all metadata tags with key Android name splash screen. Let's copy it and just search for it. If it is there. Yeah, let's remove this metadata and launch theme to style.xml that configures the desired launch screen as a background drawable. Yeah, let's remove this first. Do we need this or not? This is line number 21. I don't know if we need it or not. Now, okay, let's go for style.xml. This in the resources, maybe in the values. Yeah, we got the, I think note. I think all things are good over here. Only the, yeah, I think all things are good over here. Yeah, so you can skip this portion. And if you created a project with Flutter, then you likely already have a launch theme defined along with the, yeah. So yeah, I already have it. Yeah, perfect. The normal thing draws the background behind your Flutter experience. That background is typically seen for a brief. Okay, let me just connect with the Sunny Prasad. Ooh, ask to join. And, yeah. Hey, Sunny. I don't know how we are going to do so.
Bhavik,
Hey, like we can't.
your audio, your mic is off.
Yeah, because like I don't want an echo probably. How can I? You must be getting an
Then,
echo now, right?
no, I'm not. But better you can share your screen and then we can go through what is happening.
Yeah, sure. So I'm actually and I screen. Let's do it. Yeah, visible.
Uh, Waiting, please. Due to problems with your network. That means mine.
Mm. Okay.
It says video paused. Can you try again?
Yeah, I'm trying again. Check if it is visible or not.
Okay, it says you are presenting, but video is not coming up.
Uh-huh.
So yeah, I did not look at all your
Tell.
screen, but is it possible that let me take a call? Is it possible that you can reiterate what all you have done so far?
I didn't get you. Sorry. Uh,
Yeah, I was saying, what all have you tried to migrate? I mean, what are the steps you are trying to take approach?
currently, I'm trying to. Okay, what currently? Stop presenting. Okay.
Yeah, no problem. Okay,
Okay, I think you can watch the YouTube video then.
probably I'll do that.
Yeah. Okay, so I have never tried like from 1.5 5.4 to 2.5. So the
Hmm.
first thing I'm going to try out that there is like how we embed the Flutter activity into our Android. That is we are going to first that thing I have already did the code changes already.
Right.
So yeah, that is done. Now I'm on the way for where it is. Yeah, over here. I'm over here as right now. Uh, Changing a theme, whatever
Okay.
they are suggesting right now. So we already have a styles.xml in place. Or you can see over here that is already there. We can use the old one only. Now the next point they are suggesting configure main activity to start with your launch theme and then shift to your normal theme. Also specify that you want your launch screen to continue being displayed until Flutter enters its first frame. Yeah, so that this is the new way I think.
Bhavik,
Yeah.
this seems way too complex, and there is a way.
Mhm.
I mean, this doc is also fine for people who have heavily invested in
Not
their
tell me
in
Flutter.
their Android code, and they want to
Is
follow a step-by-step migration that is less complex than their Android modules code if they
Mhm.
have written it.
Mhm.
But for us, for specifically this app, I don't believe that there is a lot of configuration that you had to do to probably enable a few plugins or enable
No,
Firebase or something else.
no, we don't
Uh,
have anything. Like,
so what I'm suggesting here, let's delete everything.
yeah, Android, like just you have a lib folder. I think we can delete the Android folder and iOS folder. What say? I mean directory.
Okay, so let's see what we have right now in our computer.
Yeah.
Do we have Android, sorry, Flutter 1.22?
No, no, no. Like, I'm currently on 2.2.3 maybe.
So the thing is that Will it even run on 2.2.3? Should
Uh,
I share my screen?
oh, and
Let me
then
try to share my screen. If it is possible, then help me with what I'm doing, and I'll show you how I generally try to migrate. Uh,
I got your point. What you are trying to say? Like I just delete all the stuff, but not the lib folder.
so here, what I want to say is that let's stay on 1.225. That means pre-Flutter 2.0 era.
No. I can't
And
risk going there. I can't risk my other projects now.
yeah, that's why. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, visible.
Okay, thank you. So what I can do, so we all know that there is a great tool called FVM.
I hate it. Like literally, it's my RAM. I don't know why, but it always like my and IntelliJ. Whenever I try to use FVM, my IntelliJ or Android Studio or VS Code, you can say, just goes into the hang mode. Like it just hangs. I don't know why, but it just hangs for me.
It has not happened to me so far, so I'm good with it. So what I have found with migration specifically, that if your project is on pre 2.0 era, that you can jump to the most, I mean, the latest pre 2.0 version. That would be 1.22.6. But I have 1.22.5, and that too works. So what my first strategy is to
Go into
make
that
project
mode
work
and yeah, make project work in that environment, right?
in that environment. And
Yeah,
if it works, then we can go to do those step by step process on going to first of all 2.0, then doing
quite
some deprecation
nice.
changes and upgrading our packages, and then going to uh,
Yeah,
2 to 3 or 2 to 5, sorry, 2.5, and then migrate to another safety.
got it.
Okay. So I right now have your project running in this, not running, but
Mhm.
open here.
Yeah, got
But
it,
it
got
is
it.
after, looks like I have pulled.
Okay,
Let me
then I'm
flutter
setting
clean
up
it.
my and IntelliJ.
It's all right. Let's see what we can do here. I'm
Yeah,
very interested in this one.
yeah,
So
I know.
I've just switched to 1.225, as you can see in the background,
Mhm.
and allow me to take the
Let's go
latest
for a
packages
1.5.
using that version.
Let's go for a 1.5 because I know I have built this application when it was 1.5.4. Hey, Bharat, you want to join?
1.5.4. Let's try 1.5.4. Okay. So we'll have to install
Okay.
FVM.
Okay.
Yes. Oh, there is no 1.5.4.
There must be. Okay, let it go. Let it go. Let's aim for a 1 point. The current one you have 1.4 point. What was it?
Yeah. So this is the list. 1. What? 1.12 or something. Where
No.
should we go?
Okay, it was not 1.5.4. Then what was it?
1.5.4. Let me see.
Yeah, it is there.
1.5 for this
It
one.
is there.
We have installed 1.5.4. Let's see if it remote branch 154 not found in upstream origin. So looks like Flutter has
Maybe
removed this version
yeah, because
from the
it's
tags.
too old. Too old.
Yeah. So let's try to make it work on this one only,
Yeah.
1.2.5, because it is pre 2.0. It may not have a lot of changes.
Yeah.
So right now I'm facing this error. Super.dispose isn't defined in a superclass
Remove
of
this.
detailed store.
Remove that.
What should I do?
Remove super.dispose. Remove or override.
Okay.
Remove that
Okay.
override thing. No,
Convert to block body. Okay. Should I?
no, like remove
Oh,
that from the dispo. Sorry, from the store. Go to the store. Yeah,
this override.
remove. Yeah, remove that override. Yeah,
Okay. Commenting everything
yeah.
as we go.
We need to.
Then
Yeah.
and which other file? This one. Let's see here.
Yeah, there is
It's
also
saying
this.
provider, builder, and dispose.
Yeah,
Should I?
change builder to create.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
I remember. And what about dispose?
dispose should be accessible. I don't know.
I
Okay,
think
we
the
commenting it
provider
out. Yeah, yeah. Sorry, sorry.
later promised that dispose is no longer necessary because it will be managing the life cycle itself.
Yeah, Mobex does that. Yeah, I think. Yeah, Mobex does that
Oh,
as well. Because earlier used to have Mobex used to have a dispose method, but later on they removed it.
yeah. Is a lot of noise coming from my side.
Try crisp maybe.
And I'm removing all the dispose methods from provider. Is it fine?
Yeah, yeah. Let's do
Okay.
that for the moment. We will need a dispose because we need to, close all the streams that are there in the store.
Hmm.
I was using
Oh,
streams, yeah.
okay.
I don't know why I was using streams when I was using
Let's
Mobex
let's
only.
keep it here for now. Let let's be able to run the app first and then see what is the new way to do this same thing, do disposal and all these things.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Uh,
Correct.
so first of all, there was some issue here. This one, Android embedding. Okay. So first of all, what is the name of our clone folder? Try to open it in repository. Open in Finder. Okay. Its name is it's all widgets underscore
Oh, correct.
podcast. Let me copy this. Uh, Flutter chooses this name, not we. So what we can do, we can directly go to manifest,
Mm-hmm.
main manifest, and see if it is still the same. Nope, it is not.
No, the package name is
Uh,
different, na? The directory name is or and the repo name is different. So yeah, this is the package name. Yeah, and we will not change it because it is in the up in the Play Store. So
uh, let's delete Android as we were thinking about.
yeah, delete Android.
And yeah, let's delete Android for now. We do not actually need Android. And do Flutter create dot.
Yes, I think it will ask for a package name.
I think it will mess something up, and then it will ask me.
Oh, it's done.
It ran, but see, manifest main, and the name has changed from
Yeah.
dot I Bhagwan, I Bhavik Makwana to uh, probably okay. What we can do now, we can actually go into the change wala thing and look at every single file here.
Why?
Uh, so we are looking at all the changes that has happened
Mhm.
after we did Flutter create dot, and what we are doing, we are adopting our changes inside this new template of Android module.
Mhm.
Make sense?
Yeah.
So let me save it all, close everything, and then let's start going over these things. So first of all, in source debug, we have Android manifest. And, yeah, that is all right. That is a new style. And what we can do here in this file, uh, we can go to this file and change our package name to this. And even before that, let's go to main Android manifest. Where is it? Main manifest.
Yeah,
This one.
app. Yeah, on this one.
And look at our previous one. The previous one was this. Let's keep it somewhere safe. Probably notes.
Let's change the package name first, I think.
Yeah, that's what we will do incrementally, one by one.
Mhm.
So first of all, alter this because this is the only change, and it will show that this is all good.
Yeah.
And then we can copy paste this place,
Yeah.
this thing, and it will, I mean, let's include internet permission. Then the name of the app has changed to the default one, and we can do the right click and unstage, revert this one.
Yeah. We need to
Then
remove
this is
that
new
Flutter.
template. So, all right. Then this is also part of new template, so we do not need to touch it. Yeah, correct. And everything else is, we are not missing something from our original source code, but Android has added, and we are okay with it.
Yeah, and I think we need to change it again because when we are going to go further, like for the 2.5, there are
Correct, we will do that.
Mhm.
And you had something in style, did you? No, nothing.
Yeah,
Everything is same,
same
but
one.
there is some upgrade. This one.
Okay, yeah.
So we are
I
good.
don't
We can
know.
accept it. Then the change is in IC launcher. We can safely discard all of it, all of the IC launcher things.
Let me just ask,
Again,
give me a minute. Let me see if the YouTube quality is good or not. Like if it is visible or not. If not,
yeah, please.
I think the ID is not properly visible.
Zoomed in a little.
Uh, not
It will
need
take.
to zoom, but Google Meet streaming takes some time, and then
Hmm.
yeah. Okay, what we can do because the quality is really bad. The code.
Oh God.
Okay, what I can
What
do?
you can do, you can join me. You can join me on Visual Studio Code. What do you call it? Live share.
Give me a minute.
Or if you want to, you can do all this process.
No, no, no. Let me open a Visual Studio and let's use live share.
It will give you live view of what I'll be
You're
doing
doing.
and
Yeah, yeah.
won't damage the quality.
How can I, search for the live share?
Live share. Search for live share in VS Code.
Yeah, looking into it. Oh, it says okay. I never tried installing it.
It is asking me to first log in. So I'll do that. And yeah, tell them, commit the code and then you can take over from there.
Now I'm reloading. Just I hope this works out well. Okay. How can we use this feature? Like I have never tried. So live share. How can we use this feature? So many.
Do you want me to share this link
Oh my
on in our
God,
Meets chat?
this is quite big. Yeah, please set it over there. Yeah,
Once you have installed the VS Code plugin, you can tap on this link. Probably let you,
yeah, I got it.
when it will guide you somehow.
Yeah, yeah,
Mostly it will ask you to log in first and then it will open VS Code or something like that.
yeah. I got the access.
Yes, correct.
I don't know if I got the access or not. Okay. Sorry for the delay, folks.
Keep your VS Code open. Yeah, correct.
It is open. Uh,
And that plugin is not yet installed, I guess,
no,
in VS
yeah,
Code.
lifestyle is there. Join. Let me try join.
Let's see what is happening.
And three, two, one. Are we up? Did you got anything? Maybe request or something?
Nope. I'm waiting. I don't know if my yeah, got it. Accept read write. Accepted, and you are now showing up in participants list.
Great. Um,
Is it open?
yeah, it is. Now,
Look at your VS Code.
yeah, I'm on VS Code only. I can see Android. Yeah, you just open the Android manifest, right? Yeah, can
Perfect.
see it. Yeah, yeah, perfect. Let's
I'll
go for it.
stop sharing my screen.
Yeah, perfect.
Let's use this just for communication.
Okay.
Okay. So in and manifest, we have nothing new now, and we have staged it.
If our,
Next file is debug.
I think what should we try first is try running the app. If it is running or not.
Hmm.
If it is running, then we can,
Okay,
just directly move forward with the next update. Like we can just jump into the 2.5.0 maybe.
yes, that's the plan. Correct.
Yeah.
Uh, so you have not done anything with main activity,
Yeah.
and that's why we can accept the change. Then in uh, insert your own image. What is this launch background?
Yeah.
You
Copy
have
that.
something in your launch background.
Yeah. Yeah. I do. Yeah. We have to, copy left hand side to right hand side. Yeah. Revert it back. Yeah. Great.
Perfect. And take it. Then there is this drawable no DPI, and the new template is suggesting that we should not use this no DPI thing. What do you say? Do
Uh,
you still want to keep it or accept the change?
where I'm not seeing anything.
Uh, sorry, in the main resource, drawable dash no DPI.
Okay. Yeah. No DPI. Yeah. We can remove it. I think. Yeah.
So I'll accept the removal,
Mhm.
but I will discard the change where they have automatically added the default Android launcher, sorry, Flutter launcher icon. So that our original launcher icon stays intact. So I don't know if you can see, but I'll quickly discard things so that we can go back into code.
I can't see that
Yeah,
things.
that's all right, no problem.
Yeah.
I'm just discarding the changes that this new template is suggesting regarding our launcher icon, because we want to keep our launcher icon, not set it to default.
Mhm.
Then this is the next file,
Oh, we need this dot
build.gradle.
properties. Yeah.
And we can see apparently that template is suggesting that we move to 29. Then what else? 29 here.
Yeah. And other things are
ID
new
has
that we have to.
to be changed to the, and we have a lot of changes. The key store things.
Yeah.
Over
We have to move that them back.
speed. Yes. And what else in the bottom?
Signing configs.
Text is no
Not required.
longer needed.
Yeah.
Config can be should be. See if it is all right with this much only. Probably no, because this default config also needs closing. So let's add that, and it is happy now. In build types, there is release config and minify ProGuard. I'll take everything, no problem. And if I don't, but let's not experiment a lot.
Like we all do have a code up in the GitHub, so not worry much.
If you want to try it, experiment something.
We just don't have a JKS.
We won't need it for a while. So I have saved it. I'm happy with this, and where were we? In this one. It, then there is ProGuard rule. This for now. Then they are suggesting an Gradle wrapper upgrade.
Yeah,
let's do
keep
it.
it that way. Yeah, 5.6.
Now we have git ignore. No problem. Let's take it. There is another build.gradle. We are now getting the newer Kotlin version.
Yeah, that's great.
Great. Build Gradle version 321 to 350. All good.
All good. Yeah.
We are happy.
Yeah.
Then Gradle.properties. It has
just space the positions.
probably, yeah. I don't know why, but we are happy
Yeah.
still.
Yeah.
Settings.gradle. I think this is a part of their template and we should not touch it.
Yeah.
Done. So we have staged this much changes, and I think I should, and before committing, I should change my
Let's not commit it.
file. Fine.
Okay. Are you trying to run the app?
What? Should I?
Okay. What will happen if you are going to run the application? Is it going to run in my Android emulator as well?
No, it is my computer, so
no, but like
mine.
the same thing is happening in over my side as well. So the same command might fire in my like device as well. Sorry, system as well, right? If the if this is not mirroring.
It is just mirroring the change in code and it is letting us see the same code live.
Mm-hmm. What happened? It is throwing some errors.
Build failed with an exception.
Okay. Are you saying okay? Okay. Build Gradle line number 55.
Let's open the Android module and see what exactly is happening inside it.
Maybe because of the.
For that.
Okay. Okay. Maybe because of the signing config. Let's change it back to the line number 64 in the build.gradle.
Okay.
Yeah, let's change it to the debug dot release to debug. So it will default take the debug build.
All right. And
Are you changing it?
Build app level builder grid.
Yeah, app level. Yes.
Have this release. In release, we are using release, but is it to, because we are not releasing, I mean, building in release mode. No?
But I don't think there is a debug mode available, or it does it just goes for the default mode as yeah. Def, uh, hmm,
Let's do this. Fine.
yeah, let's try to
I
run.
put both of them as debug and let me remove ProGuard for a while
Yeah,
and Minify also. Let's
yeah,
see what happens.
yeah,
When I run, oh, sorry, Flutter clean, not clean. Hopefully, it won't die that quickly.
yeah.
Yeah, it did.
Still
So let's
same
find
issue.
out
Okay, let's
using
comment out
Android
this.
Studio.
What we can do? Let's comment out this release blog as well. This blog.
Okay.
Yeah,
Let's
because this is the portion we don't have a p dot properties file.
file
Yeah, and maybe we can comment it out this as well. Yeah,
this much
same. Yeah, perfect.
and this much.
And
Trying to
this as
access
well.
and finding config. We'll be using debug now.
Yeah, let's try running now.
It may just work now.
So by the way, I was just
Hope
getting.
it runs.
Oh yeah, I think it will run. It started assembling.
It will run.
Yeah, yeah, it will run. Yeah, and I was saying I was just getting bored yesterday and just created a one application, uploaded it on a Play Store. Yeah, absolutely using Flutter only within 4 or 3 4 hours.
You started application and completed it and published it.
Yeah,
Is it what you're trying to say?
yeah. It failed. It failed.
It is missing a resource.
URL launcher, Android home environment.
Background. Resource drawable flash app icon is not found.
Okay, it won't be there now because we have removed the Android folder.
No, it is there. Let's see.
No, no, no.
Drawable app icon.
The name should be different, I think. IC launcher it is, and we are probably using something different inside app icon. Yeah, and it's
With map dash
IC
IC launcher.
launcher. IC launcher. Just name it as the IC launcher.
And
Yeah,
it may work.
yeah, it should work. Hey folks, if you're watching it, if you have any kind of query, you can ping us in a chat, or if you have any kind of suggestion, then please do let us know. And do not forget to like, share this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Codify. Mm,
Yeah, it is built.
it is. Great. it won't run in my device. So
It is definitely running on mine. Let me
yeah,
open screen copy.
yeah.
I'm waiting for it to get installed, and let's see. It
Can't I try, like new terminal or opening a new terminal and running it is I can't, na?
you I don't know.
Okay, can you
I'll
try?
have to give you debugging access. That is, I don't know where it is.
Mhm.
Right click and no idea.
Is it running? The application is running or not?
Nope, it did not run because I have work profile open.
Okay,
And
okay.
let me try to run again. It should run faster, probably under 40 seconds. Yeah, very quick, under 10
Yeah.
seconds, and it crashed.
Okay.
No idea why.
Yeah.
Uh, how do we inspect this? Studio? Should we open Enter Studio now?
Mm,
I'm just waiting.
uh, then you have to again share the screen.
Uh, yeah, I know, but what could be happening is what is the way we can check this?
Uh, are we are not seeing any kind of log, right? When the app
No,
crashes.
we are not. Probably it is just crashing right away.
What we can
So I
do?
think Flutter is not getting connected and it's not able to generate any logs for us to see in this terminal. And I believe it will only be seen in uh, modules terminal.
Hmm. What we can do, I'm just suggesting, like if we can, like, let's delete the Android folder again. Let's try creating it again, like Flutter create dot, and let's
Okay.
run it from that default configuration only, like no change, like not at all.
Um,
I don't know if it will work or not.
I don't think it makes sense, but what we can try if you still want Minify enabled in ProGuard.
Yeah,
Let's not do that because that's the only change that you have done other than
yeah, yeah,
changing launch background and
yeah.
those things.
Okay, let's close it. Sorry, let's comment it out. Yeah.
Flutter clean, object. Flutter. It is dying after splash screen. So splash screen is loading and then
Hmm.
there is an issue.
Hmm.
Is your project using Firebase or something?
No, nothing.
I think it ran, but it crashed. So,
Okay. Okay.
and it gives me an option to copy crash log URL. What can it be?
Try that out. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm trying to open that first in my phone and then I'll copy it on computer. Oh, yeah, we have a log. We have a log and I found the issue.
What it is?
So let's open main activity. And the package name is still the old one.
Ah,
And
array.
that is why it is not able to find the
Array
first
language.
activity, right?
Array. Okay. Do share your screen when the app got running.
Yeah. Is it possible to do from here only? No, I cannot.
Maybe not.
Now the app is running.
Can you share your screen? Let's just go
I
for
can sharing my screen on Meet and to show this.
yeah, perfect, perfect. Yeah, so we are able to run the application in the what was it? 1.20 or 1.12?
2.5.
Is it 2?
1.2 to 5.
1.25, yeah. 122. Okay. Now we can directly, I think the audio player should work as well. Try playing audio.
Yeah, it is working.
Better. Hmm.
Nice.
Great.
So I'll commit this thing and what else has changed after this main activity and launch background, build out gradle. Uh, yeah, I'll keep this commented for now.
Yeah.
You can alter it when you want to actually publish it.
Yeah.
Other than that, Android and lib has only some changes. Let me separately commit that. So first of all, migrated Android module to 1.22.5, and we are happy about it. And then next thing is this dispose thing. Remove dispose. Remove Mobex dispose.
Yeah.
Can you see my source control panel also?
No, like, sorry, I'm on the, currently on the Google Meet.
Yes, sorry. So this is done. And next step would be iOS normally, but
Let's not go there for the moment.
do we want to try to migrate
No,
iOS?
not for the moment.
Okay, so I'll discard it.
Yeah.
Nothing has to be done there. And what is this? Dot Flutter dependency.
It should not be committed.
This is a generated. Do not edit or check into version control.
Yeah.
Okay.
It should not be
It won't.
yeah. You can add it into the Git control. Sorry, Git ignore.
It must be there already, but let's see.
No, they must have added it, later on. This file. So
Okay.
yeah.
Copy this and then click ignore.
And I do follow, updating pubspec.log file. Like I do, version control the pubspec.log file. I don't know
Yeah,
if you do or
it should
not.
be done.
Yeah, but yeah, when I feel that it should be done. I think
This too.
hmm.
iOS Flutter.
You have forked the repo, right?
Which rep?
This it's all legit forecast,
I have not. I
and
have not.
you won't be able to push it or directly. Okay, I think we can skip that portion for the moment and maybe try with the 2.5.
Yeah, why not? Let me just commit
I'll give you
earlier
the
ignore for now.
yeah, I'll give you the collaboration access.
While you do that, I'll go ahead with changing my letter. Yeah, I'm ready. What I should generally do is first of all close the project and then
Okay, you
change my.
close the project, right?
I'm changing my Flutter version using FVM
Yes,
global.
stable.
Where should we go? 2.0.6 is
Let's
the
go
next
for
destination.
stable.
Yes. Yeah, and the safest
latest
one.
table. No, no, let's go for the latest table.
Which one?
2.5.
Table? No,
Yeah,
nope, nope. I do
2.5.
not have confidence that high.
I do because let's see the we are not using any kind of platform dependent code.
Hmm.
So that one thing is sorted for us. And other than that, there are not much packages over here we have. So that portion is also kind of fixed for us already. We only have a limited kind of packages.
Let's see packages. Which packages do we have?
Yeah,
We have some,
yeah, but
but I'll still
these
say
are
let's go
limited
one
and
by one.
yeah,
Let's do one by one.
yeah.
What I like to do with versions, that I'll just write anything in versions and let this tool figure out that which one it should be. Like this. Uh, where are we? Let it be. Let it be. I am now on Flutter 2.0.6. Once we have upgraded all our packages supporting Dart SDK 2.12. After that, we will not have any more issues with it. So that is kind of a goal here. So let me Flutter clean first
Hmm.
and get the packages again. Then let's see the outdated packages. What are the outdated packages and what the system is suggesting us for an upgrade? Flutter pub get. I don't know if you can see my screen on
Yeah, I'm seeing
share
the
or
screen.
is,
No,
I just
let's not go not go for not go for the live set.
okay,
Uh,
fine.
yeah, I can clearly see the Google Meet screen.
Okay, so let's do outdated thing. Let's check out what all packages are outdated right now. Yeah, there are many. We will only look at direct dependencies, not transitive. This one, and they are upgradable to.
Let's go for the major upgrade, major version
Yeah,
upgrade.
let's do major because there are no further upgrades available.
Yeah,
Of this, the command
yeah.
suggestion here, and
So the everyone else, if you don't know this command, it just helps you to upgrade all the dependencies to the compatibility with each others. If it finds out then, like any of the packages are incompatible with each others, so just don't update it. I hope I'm right. This is my understanding for this command,
yeah,
right?
correct. That is how it works. Yes.
Yeah.
And what I'll do, I'll now lock the versions of the unversioned packages. And for audio player, it is 081. So let's take it. So in future, when we are stuck with this legacy code, we can at least run our code in one go
Hmm.
and then try to upgrade. Sometimes what happens that if you have not added a version, then it will try to take the latest one. Uh,
When we use any, it just goes for the nearest version that is compatible with the app.
compatible with the current dependency graph.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, that is what it is. The name parameter length
It is not
types
that.
isn't
So we have to
defined.
remove it. The link type is removed. So yeah.
Let's see what other options we have. Link type is link type dot URL. Do we have something called type or link filter? No.
I think
Or
it
is
will
it
work. It
just
should work.
not
Yeah, yeah. Just remove it. Yeah, perfect.
linky fires to be used? What is it? We have options. Probably we can find our thing in option. Mm, let's go there only and see what that option contains. Do we have the one which you were using? Humanize, not humanize, but mm,
No, I think this is for like how you want to, like uh, represent this.
to show it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that,
correct.
yeah, yeah.
Okay, let's not worry about it right now. Let
Yes.
it do the default thing.
Hmm.
We are good for now. And if it needs some changes in styling, we will change it.
Yeah.
Okay, it needs URI, so we'll do URI from, or how URI from string.
Dot HTTPS.
Oliver,
HTTPS, then we can just give the authority, that is API.RSS to JSON.com.
really? What I
And
used to do, I would just
what you
do
used to.
this
Hmm.
and provide this string.
Okay. Uh-huh.
Is is it okay, or is there
Um,
any catch?
I haven't tried because I always go for the URI.https because I have base URL written somewhere in the constant files. So I just use that base URL that is for us. It is api.rss to json.com. So I
Hmm.
can use it inside the HTTPS as an authority, and then I'll be passing all the other stuff over there
Mhm.
in the second line. Yeah, sorry, in the second parameter. Yeah.
I'll have to learn that from you later. But for now, I'll do what I understand because we are live.
Yeah.
I'll need to read the documentation. Yeah, it takes time.
I don't read the documentation, but
List is deprecated and shouldn't be used. Use the list literal. Okay, can't do that.
just square brackets.
What is this?
Just use
Is
the square
this
brackets. Like,
okay? It is our file now. Okay. And this is all about subscriptions, and we are okay with this. So now, if our app runs and an audio can be played, then we are good with our dependencies.
yeah, and then we will move forward with the 2.5.
This was way too simple.
Yeah, yeah, because the project is too small. Uh, I think, yeah, this is the reason. But I'll really like to migrate. Let's check how the null safety works. Like when we try to migrate it to null safety.
Okay. It will take some time because I'm sharing my screen.
Okay,
Done. It was way
success.
too fast. And it did not run. No idea why.
It's still saying installing. At least for in the screen side, it is showing only installing. So that's
Oh, yeah. Allow me to
yeah.
open
It's now
copy.
installed. Maybe
And it is running. Let me show
perfect.
you.
Perfect.
I'm going to play this. And in my it is running. It is playing. Stop it. I'm good. Go back. Close. Stop. And commit. Commit is such a simple moment that yeah, it is done, and now we can save our
Let's
work.
yeah. Let's
Everything. Yeah, this is all acceptable. Correct.
correct.
Take
Migration to 2.0
to 2.0.6. 0.6. So after this, I guess they are enforcing null safety on the project.
Yes.
That is what I
Yes.
believe.
No, no, no. No, 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 no. In the 2.5.0, they are, I think, enforcing it.
Let's switch to stable.
Maybe
It's
because
time.
maybe currently I'm on 2.2.3 or what is it? Like for other projects, I'm
So now we are on latest. Now we are on stable.
perfect.
What do you want to do? Null safety migration?
Yeah, let's go. Okay, let's try to just let's try if the app is compiling or not, because it will throw an error straight away. It will not compile as well, right now.
Let's see.
It
Let's
won't
see. Let's
run.
see. Just for our information, Flutter clean
But
first.
clean. Yeah, setup of cat.
By the way, who all are watching?
Sorry,
Who all are watching the stream?
two people only. Please raise your hand if you are watching it.
Not needed.
Yeah.
Probably one of them is and second is you. Then can be again.
Yeah, but people will watch it later on. I think this usually happens. Like uh, at least whatever the analysis. This is what analysis says uh, in my channel that people does watch it later on, even in some portion. But yeah, they do. Yeah, now there is a three people watching. Hey, who are you? The third one. Please raise your hand. If you are not my family member, immediate family member, and then
So what you can do later, you can mark the timeline of this video with some labels.
yeah, I know that, but I think it's time sensitive, maybe. I haven't tried.
Right? But it is rewarding to for watchers because they will be looking at the specific places where they want to go. Probably the first place they want to be at is when we deleted everything and then we went to 206 and we are now at 1.5 and the app is running.
Yeah. Okay, we'll try that out. I don't know if I will or not.
It's still running.
Great, great. In a 2.5, right?
Yeah, even on 2.5.
How?
I think in 2.5 or 2.2 they enforced that the new project will be always a null safe one. The new project template is null safe.
Okay. Okay, wait. Go to the Dart, sorry, Popstate, YAML file.
And
Let's check our Dart SDK version. It's 2.1.0.
why? We have to migrate first.
Yeah, that's why. Let's
And I believe all the dependencies are supporting 2.12 and that is why it is compiler is not complaining that you have not migrated or something.
It lists up to support 2.1.0, so it will handle the, yeah, so we can try out the product about, but let's just jump for the Dart migrate.
And we have something. Oh, yeah, this is transitive dependencies.
Yes.
Uh, I don't know. Let's keep it here and do that migrate. It will run Dart's internal thing. Migrate
And
MIG.
yeah.
I was just so excited.
I don't know, but like when I try to run the Flutter build command, if I like
Congratulations,
any kind
we
of
got something.
yeah. So this for the null set, like if any packages are outdated and contains null set, audio flag is not null safe.
Yeah, let's check that out. dev audio player, and if it is not, then what will we do? Should we use this new one?
Yeah, like
Replace all Flutter?
uh, we have to change a lot of stuff maybe then.
Do we have an safe version for this? Probably someone has tried to contribute, but their change.
Check out the other one. Check out the other package, audio players.
Audio player. There is nothing similar, but okay, let's try audio players.
Yeah, if uh, go down maybe if they are, yeah, I think it's the kind of same one. Yeah, it is.
Let's look at the API. What is new and what is not?
Let's try, changing it. If
I
I
hope
think
there
it will
are.
work,
Yeah, please.
directly because someone must have cloned it and then switch it to the nullsecurity and updated a package. Sorry, uploaded a package. Only.
What should I do? Should I try to search
No, let's see if the VS Code is not throwing any kind of error.
for this different package, right? Audio players.
Yeah. Our course will not throw any kind of error. Did we run the Flutter public? Yeah, no, okay. Okay. We have
Obviously, imports will not work.
the imports will not work, yeah. Let's try importing public. Okay. There are some errors. Mute method is not there. What is the alternative then? Do we have a mute or anything else?
Yeah, we should have pause play or something.
We don't have a mute. Okay, okay.
Set volume.
Zero.
Should we? No, we should not, I guess, because that would change system settings.
Okay.
Set volume to 0. Should we do it? I
Yeah.
think yes.
Yeah, let's
For now.
set it to 0. Yeah. And yeah, so for the conditional,
Can we find out current volume?
then we have to store it in some variable.
Somewhere. But store is always alive now, then we can do that.
Not in the method.
Not in method, obviously.
We don't have a get. Let's keep it for the moment.
Let's put it to 0 and 1. So
yeah,
if it is muted,
0.
Can we just use 0 and 1 values?
Yeah.
Muted dot.
But let's check out once, like if it is expecting 0 and 1 or like 1 and 100 or kind of stuff.
Double. It is trying to take 0 and 1, but in double. 0 and 1 in double.
Okay. Perfect. And double. Perfect. Volume. Remove the muted. Yeah.
This done.
Okay.
What is the
won't be
state?
there.
Player state.
Yeah. Just remove that player audio.
Dot playing. Will this work? Unrelated types. We are trying to match unrelated types. That is what it is saying.
Okay. State is player state. It's a enum, and what you can do. Press enter after 89 line. Let's use a switch case on top of state. Switch state. I don't know if it will, give you the hints to, auto uh, populate the codes, like auto populate the cases. Yeah, 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 yeah. Perfect, perfect.
God, we have too many.
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, got it. At the one line number 109, the playing is in a small case, but the it's hinting for the like capitals. Why it is not, then it is throwing an error, right? There is no constant. Quite weird. Hey, but like, okay, they do not suggest it.
Hmm. No idea.
Ignore it for the moment, and we can't we can't migrate to null safety, right? If there is any package that is not
Correct.
compatible with null safety. Okay. Okay.
Where is this coming from? Okay, this is our
Uh-huh,
own.
uh-huh. Okay, okay. Comment it out.
Is
uh,
it needed now?
I used it for the because I must not be getting it for the audio player plugin. I have I don't know. Yeah,
Now
better,
we have it.
better, better. Duration. How get duration?
Hmm. Future int can be assigned to variable of
Oh
type.
wait, let's just use await. Audio player line number 110, and okay, yeah, the duration that I have defined is a duration like
Is a
that.
duration,
Yeah.
and this is giving you an integer.
Yes. Yeah. 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 Maybe we can cast it as sorry, we can do a type conversion to duration if it is giving us a proper duration, like in a milliseconds, the longer one that we get. No, I don't know. Let's just skip the duration part. Okay, then we have to okay, so audio player is going to bug us a lot.
But there are a lot of streams. On duration changed, player state changed.
Can we try just I I know we should not, but can we try migrating to null safety with the old package?
Yeah, we can and we should, because this is way too
Yeah, way too much
difficult.
of task. Yeah, we should do this all change, but we don't have that much time. So yeah.
Yeah. Keep our old one and this was the one 081 and clone the repo. They must have all the Android folders, right? And it also would need migration. Let's see what happens.
Can you go open up any kind of issues if they have
PRs.
yeah, null safety PR? We can point it to that.
No, 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 safety PRs.
Cool. Then let's use these package only for the moment. Yeah.
The new one.
No, no, this one only, old one only. Let's try to migrate.
Okay.
If
Good
not, we
much.
can maybe connect tomorrow and try migrating audio player first. Then we can migrate code to receptive.
You can do it right now. Probably. Probably. Let's see what how far we can go, and
Mhm.
if it becomes way too much time taking, then we'll stop there, and then
Yeah,
yeah, we have an error
yeah.
similar to the last one. What is this? Read bytes. Read byte is asking for a URI, and we'll give it a URI.
Let's just use URI dot parse and pass under string.
Okay.
Perfect. Use yeah, close the bracket. Yeah, perfect.
The
Headline is
headline
removed.
has to be converted to one. Radio raise button is deprecated, but it won't bug us. So I think we are good with. Hmm.
Hmm.
Okay, this is new. I think this we are inside an example.
Yeah,
Are we?
yeah, yeah. We
Yeah,
are,
we are.
we are.
Uh,
But hi, we are there.
let's see what Dart migrate does. First of all,
We are trying to migrate audio play, right?
hmm.
Hmm. Can we do it maybe tomorrow? I want to go for a sleep. So,
uh, yeah, we can.
no, need to
So
wake up
give me
early.
2 more minutes, and let's see what if.
Okay, let's migrate this audio player and then we can migrate our project tomorrow. What's it?
Yeah, all right.
Yeah. Okay, it's just a one line. Okay, okay, okay. Let's do it. Just apply migration.
You got excited, huh?
Yeah, I thought it will be too much, but yeah, okay, it's just one
Okay.
file, huh? Okay.
So we are good with this one.
Hmm.
What we can do very quickly, host it somewhere else by creating a fork this repo,
Yeah.
and I want it for my own purpose. And I think everything is migrated to null safety and push it. What we can do now, open it in GitHub and copy this, try to find uh, pub 3. Flutter packages using
Git fork.
Git, something like that. How to use packages
Maybe
like this one.
Git fork. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
This
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 one. Yeah,
system,
this one. Yeah,
that system.
yeah. If it is a question, go for
Okay.
the answer. Yeah.
And then just paste it in our project. Remove the version, press enter, press tab, paste it here,
What should be
and
the?
our actual link here, and try to pull it.
It's a master branch only, right? Go
Could
to
not
that.
find a file named pubspec YAML. Oh,
Oh,
yeah, we have to give it a directory. I mean, a path. Uh, how do you do that?
see now, or target to exact branch.
But we do not have the exact branch. But
Master it
I
will be,
think
right?
there is a way to give a Git URL and path. See this one.
Uh-huh.
Found it.
Okay. Okay. Uh-huh.
Git URL and path. So let's get back. The URL was this one, and path is packages slash package one. So that means our actual package is living inside package one, and that too inside. I mean, first folder is packages, and then package one is our package.
Yeah.
And in our case, we have only one layer, and we can actually copy that and give that up in a path and try to put it. Publishable package is cannot have git. What is that? I don't know. Is it publishable? Try adding publishable null to end to mark the package is not for publishing or remove the git dependency.
Okay, in the code of the audio player, mm, okay, where we need to you add this publish?
I'm confused.
Yeah, likewise. We need to use sorry in the new abstract YAML file we have a publish underscore two, and if you are using a if you are in a application like in a project, not in a what we say plugins or packages, it's set to false.
So I should add that key value here, right?
Yeah, maybe
In our package.
yeah
This one.
in a abstract YAML file. Yeah. Okay.
Here.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. Over here, yes.
Uh, let's look at the error again. Publish to specifically publish to
Colon. Yeah. Yeah.
colon null.
None. None. Yeah.
Publish underscore to
None.
and
Now let's try now.
none. And push it again. And let's clear our uh, stack YAML, stack lock. Let's let it do this. And could not find a file name for stack YAML in this place. Did it work?
Mhm.
I hope it works.
Packages. Um, Packages is
Could not find the file name.
just go for
Package
the audio player,
player.
maybe. Not to use packages.
Audio player AWS. I guess this will work.
Yeah. Yeah.
I hope this works. Could not find a file name. Audio player pulse click. Yeah,
Just go for the audio player.
only once.
Yeah, only once. Yeah.
I guess it is trying to clone. And it worked. It worked.
Perfect. Perfect.
It worked. Let's try to run that my bit again.
Yeah.
Haha.
Cool.
This was simple.
Cool. Okay. Okay. Change it done. Perfect.
And look at problems.
These are
The receiver cannot be null because the short circuiting, so the null aware operator can't be used.
it's
So that
okay.
replacing it with
Just
something.
the one. Just
It is no longer needed
yeah.
because you are already using this one.
Yes.
Probably. Yeah. In many places. Here too.
I used to do it as a precaution. just add a question mark. Everyone.
Alright. Again, this is a break.
That cool.
I mean, then good. No need to add these things.
Yes.
now I'll let you do all other things.
So can we try running that?
But it is not able, it's not letting me. Should I try to fetch?
No, 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 no. You haven't found the repo, right?
I have not, and it is still thinking that I do not have access to this repo.
Yeah, yeah, because
But now I do.
you can't push the code directly because we haven't found it.
Okay, I have contributor access. What does that mean?
No, you don't have a contributor access for
Then
this repo. You have it for the Flutter playground. And and try to
no problem.
give me a second.
I'll just commit it and work and PR all those things. Let me do it right here then.
Hey Aditya,
I'll take much time.
I do have a link and I have connected in the live chat already. We don't have much of messages in the live chat, so you can quickly find it out. It's the second message. If you are going to, hey Aditya, also if you are going to raise a PR before Sunny, then I'll probably merge that.
Okay. How do I create a PR now? Here, this one. Create a PR.
Yeah. Okay.
Simplest way.
I'll review it, then I'll merge it. Okay.
Yeah, take your time. Create a PR.
Migrated to
Uh,
2.5
migrated to 2.5
and
and
null
null
safety.
safety.
Yeah. Perfect. Create a pull request. Date. And I got the mail. Okay, let's try running it.
Oh yeah, we have not done that. It's been a while since we had to run this one.
oh, finger crossed. But no, adding a null set is really a you know kind of tricky task if the project is quite large.
Huge.
Huge.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
can
yeah,
understand.
yeah.
So I have a story here.
Mm-hmm.
One of my projects started using Apple sign-in package, which was popular at that time, and even the documentation mentioned about that package. So we used it naturally.
Mm-hmm.
That this one would should be the best one because the documentation, the README says, the Firebase README says that use this package. So
Yeah.
we used it. But later, a new package launched and the previous one was got deprecated. I mean, there were no updates for it. And recently, when I was trying to migrate, I found out that that is the case. That one package is not updated. So I had to sit down and spend 2 3 hours to only migrate only change our Apple sign-in package. Took time, but we did it.
You had to.
No, it was a curiosity thing.
Uh,
I have not yet migrated officially. Officially means with client's agreement or and everyone's agreement because migrating always comes with a risk of breaking parts of app, and that is not we want to put risk on. So
yeah. If you are writing
we
the
will do
test
it
cases,
once the app hits market and has some users, or once we have completed the few features that we are currently working on. And let me try to listen, and it is working.
great.
So now this is all yours.
Thank you so much.
I'll submit if anything is there, but this is done. And for viewers, if you want us to try to migrate the iOS project also, so the iOS side, so that it that too should work correctly, then
We
let
can.
us know and we'll try to do that tomorrow or some other day.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, great. Cool. Then, yeah, this is it for the day. We can close this stream and let's
Before we close, I have a message.
yeah, please.
We are hiring. So you can go to aubergine.com, auberginesolutions.com,
Mhm.
and see if something interests you. But we are actively hiring for Flutter positions. So feel free to join me at work.
Yeah, you join me, and I'll leave the company. Not that way, right? Just kidding, just kidding.
No. Yeah, we are actually having a lot of jobs
Okay.
coming in Flutter domain, and that's why we have to
Yeah. Please do share the
expand
link.
that team.
Please do
Yeah,
share the
that
link
is.
in a live chat, or at least in the comment your the link to the where they can apply. So yeah, is it going to be a remote job? Like, sorry, a remote opportunity or?
Oh yeah, there is an update.
Mhm.
The company now allows you to opt what you want to do. If you want to, if you are staying away, you are not in Ahmedabad or
It's code COD.
anywhere, then you can do remote. Yeah, you can find your
Wow,
channel.
wow. It's
Bhavi.
code. It's code CODE
Mhm.
IFI. IFY, sorry, IFY. I don't know why I choose learn to code. Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. That's the
Code
first one.
IFY.
The first one. Yeah, you just got that. Okay, now it is showing something different. Yeah, the first one. Yeah,
Learn to code.
yeah. I just gave it randomly. Like I haven't planned anything. So perfect, perfect.
Someone is watching us.
It's me only.
I'll post the link.
Yeah, perfect.
So if anyone actually wants to find a job, then they can try to reach out here.
Yeah, you can
Yeah,
also.
that's it from my side. And yeah, let's see what happens. If you guys have an interesting project that you want migrated, maybe a plugin or maybe your own project, open source, then we'd be happy to do it on stage. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, yeah. We would love to do it. Yeah, for sure. Even not live, no, not live like this live stream. But if you want to have a one-to-one call, and if you need any kind of file, then you can connect with us, and we can help you out for sure.
Okay.
Yeah, great. Okay. So
Yeah,
yeah, thank
that's
you
it.
so much, everyone, for watching this live stream. Do not forget to share, like, and share this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Codify. Yeah, great. Thank you so much. Bye.
All right. So good night.
Ending this stream. Yeah, good night.